Oh my god, guys, I got PALWORLD for completely free by doing the method. I didn't have to spend any money, and I just got the full game downloaded on my PC for free. This is also working on Xbox, but let me go ahead and show you guys how you can get PALWORLD for free right now. Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to get PALWORLD for completely free. You're going to be able to get the entire game for free, guys. This is working on Xbox and PC as well. And you'll be able to get the full game code and be able to install it onto your Xbox or PC right away, or Steam, guys, with the simple method that will only take you guys like 5 to 10 minutes to set up, and you'll be able to get the entire game for free. So I'm going to walk you guys through the steps. It's very, very simple to do, and yeah, and you can also get other games for free as well, which I'm going to show you guys. But for this main purpose, we're going to be doing the PALWORLD example. But anyways, guys, I'm going to flip over my camera and show you guys like me doing the method, and you guys can follow along. It's so simple. You don't have to spend any money. You don't have to download any shady programs onto your computer. So like you're not risking yourself of getting a virus or something like that. But you will get PALWORLD for completely free by doing this. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip over my camera now and show you guys exactly how to do this. All right, guys, so getting PALWORLD for free is gonna be very, very easy. All we have to do is go ahead and just, I recommend doing this on a phone, but you could do this on your computer, but we're just gonna have to get the code. So to get the code is very, very easy, and the code is gonna be the redemption code that you can go ahead and redeem on your Xbox or PC for free and get the game. So the way we go ahead and do this is very simple, guys. I recommend, like I said, you can do this on computer, but I recommend doing it on your phone. It's a lot easier and faster. So I'm on an iPhone, but you guys could be on an Android, right? But anyways, you're just gonna open up like your browser or whatever. And you're gonna wanna go over here. Let me just type it in. All right, so this is where you guys are gonna wanna head over to. And this is where we will be able to go ahead and get our free PALWORLD game code. So just head on over to there. Make sure you guys spell it correctly. And once we're here, it's very, very simple. All we have to do is you can actually just scroll down and you will eventually see it. Yeah, PALWORLD free game code. So this is the one we want. Also, if you don't want to like scroll all the way down, you could just go to the search bar here and just type in PALWORLD. And you should see it right there. It's the PALWORLD free game code, not the other two. That one's the infinite everything code, so that one gives you like unlimited resources in the game, and this one is if you want to play it on like PlayStation and Nintendo Switch. But we're going to be going ahead and clicking on this one right here, PALWORLD free game code, and we're going to click see more, and it will take us to this page right here, guys. You'll see all this stuff, and it's going to go ahead and say PALWORLD free game code, as you guys could see. And it will say PALWORLD free game code for Xbox or PALWORLD free game code for PC/Steam. So it's up to you, whichever platform you guys want to go ahead and get it for. I personally am going to be playing it on Steam. So I'm going to go ahead and click show coupon for the Steam one. And before you can get the full code though, there is like one last step that we have to go ahead and do in order to unlock it. So you're just going to click it and you're just going to wait for this to load a bit, as you guys could see. And then once this like loads, it will take us to the final page. And then from there, I'll show you guys how to finish things, and we will be able to go ahead and get our PALWORLD code for free. So let's just wait for this here. Almost there. All right, so once it loads, it will take you to here, and it will say like these things right here. Please get 3 of these like apps. And once you do 3 of them, you go back to the place that we were at, and the code will pop up. But guys, this process here is very important that you do it properly and exactly as it tells you to do. So like you have to do 3 of them as it says, and also they have like a chat support thing here. You guys could ask it questions and stuff. But it's quite simple. We just go over to some of them, like for example this one, and it just says, you know, these instructions here. You're just gonna wanna follow that and make sure you do exactly as it says there. So like you would just like click it, and then it would just go ahead and like take you to the, the app store, and you would just go ahead and do that. Other than that, guys, you just do 3 of them, and then, once you do 3, you go back and your code will be there. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is go ahead and do 3, and I'll show you guys that I wind up getting my code after. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, guys, great news. I went ahead and did 3 of them, and as you all can see, like it says there are 3 offers completed, and we have the code. So we take that, redeem it on my Steam profile, and we will have Palworld now for free. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you later.